guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So as we all know that the festive season is just around the corner and we all want to shine with beautiful flawless skin, right? Well, I've got the perfect face mask for you guys to achieve that bright, glowing and spotless clear skin in just no time. So this face mask has been loved since ages and there are good reasons for it only. Firstly, it works wonders for all skin types, whether you have dry, oily or acne prone skin. This face mask will work effectively well onto your skin. And secondly, it's not one of those long-term commitment face masks, but on the contrary, it just starts showing its results from the first use only. So you can use this face mask to fade away pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars and to achieve that bright, glowing, radiant and spotless clear skin. So now without further ado, let's prepare this highly effective face mask. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need gram flour, or it's also known as besan. And here I'm taking approx 1.5 teaspoon of gram flour into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need sandalwood powder, and now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of sandalwood powder into it. After that, you're gonna need turmeric powder, and here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder into it. After that, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. And now lastly, you're gonna need milk, or you can even use curd or yogurt if you have oily skin. And if you have extremely sensitive skin, then you can just use rose water instead of it. But I have dry skin, so I'm using milk. And here I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk into it. So just add enough milk to make a smooth paste. And start mixing all this up so that it makes into a smooth and a lump-free paste. And once everything is nicely mixed, your homemade face mask is ready. And the consistency of this face mask should be a little thick, as I'm showing you in this video. So this face mask has this dynamic trio of gram flour, turmeric and sandalwood powder. Gram flour, which is also known as besan, is an Indian kitchen staple that works wonders for your skin. It's a natural exfoliant that helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, glowing skin. Whereas turmeric is an ancient remedy that combats inflammation, acne scars, and also works in treating pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. And it gives your skin a radiant glow. And sandalwood powder, it's the perfect ticket for that smoother, even toned skin. Sandalwood powder works really well for skin brightening, anti-aging, as well as to fade away dark spots and acne scars. So now to use this face mask, just apply an even and a thick layer of this paste all over your face and neck. And then leave it to dry for around 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, just rinse it off with water and pat dry and moisturize your skin. And after just using this face mask, you will see an instant and a radiant glow onto your skin. And over time, this face mask can help to reduce acne, fade pigmentation, acne scars, blemishes, and gives you that smooth, radiant complexion you have been dreaming of. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.